Wengie, what are you doing? You're late for tour. What? No, I just fell asleep. Look, I'm already wearing my clothes. Anyways, here's your tour schedule since you probably already lost yours. So glad Wendy woke me up. I wonder if the other girls are ready. Alright, I'm gonna give them a call.
Hey girl, hey!
Hey Karina, are you ready for tour?
Oh my god, yes, I can't wait!
We're missing one more person. Let's give her a call.
Oh my god, girl, yeah!
Hey girls!
Hey girl,
Hey Natalie, are you all packed?
I'm packed and ready to go. I've got my list of cities ready.
You better grab that.
Yay, we're going on tour! Super exciting news! I'm finally going on tour and I'm touring with two amazing girls, Natalie's Outlet and Karina Garcia. I am so excited to see you guys. Don't forget to grab your tickets. We are visiting these cities and I can't wait to see you, give you guys hugs. There's gonna be VIP tickets where you get to spend time with us and we can all chill together. It's gonna be so much fun. So this show is gonna be so amazing. We're gonna be doing some crafts, DIYs, life hacks, Q&As, interesting shows. Hint, I could be performing my first song there. Just saying. I really would love to see you guys. There's gonna be exclusive merch as well on tour. So these will be Wengie corn things you can only buy while I'm on tour. There's also gonna be a super cool photo booth where we could take photos together. Special pre-party and post-party packages where you get to come hang out with us. Exclusive meet and greet. So don't forget to grab them before they're sold out. And there'll be tons of fun things to do. So I can't wait to see you guys there. I'm gonna pop the link to grab the tickets down below. Don't forget to grab them before they're sold out. There's only a limited number of tickets, so I can't wait to see you there. Give you guys hugs for reals. My first real tour. This is gonna be insane. I'm going all over America. Like I never leave the house, guys, so this is like a big deal for me. Don't forget to grab your tickets down below. Hope to see you guys there. And yeah, that is literally my announcement. I've been really excited to announce this for you guys for so long. And for those of you guys wondering where my video is, we're dropping it tomorrow, Sunday morning. So don't forget to click the notification bell to make sure you get notification. I'm gonna be replying all your comments in the first hour of upload. Sunday morning, guys. See you there for the next video. And I hope to see you on tour as well. Bye, guys. Love you. Hugs. Mia. Mia. Oh.